you like this video, make sure to click that notification bell so you get a notification anytime I upload a new video. Hope you enjoy.
Hey, what's up there, YouTube? So I know I haven't made a video in a while, but I decided to come back and make a special video for you guys because as of recently, on March 16th, I turned 18 years old, which means that I'm officially an adult. So what I'm going to be doing in today's video is I'm going to take my most popular video that I made as a kid and I'm going to recreate it as an adult, which means that I'm going to be giving you an updated how to pen tap tutorial for beginners where I teach you the basics of pen tapping. So I decided to make this video for two different reasons. The first reason is that now that I'm older and I've been pen tapping a lot longer, I think that I'd be able to explain the basics of pen tapping much better and make it a lot easier to learn. And the second reason I'm making this video is because I think that this would be a cool way for anybody who's been watching me for a while to look back at my transformation and see how my videos have changed over the years and how I've changed as well. So now that I've got that out of the way, I'm going to get started with teaching you how to pen tap again. So let's go. Hey, what's up there, YouTube? How's it going? So today in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you the basics of how to pen tap. So let's get right down to business. So the first thing you're going to need to know in order to pen tap is you're going to need to know the proper way to hold the pen or the marker or whatever you're using to make beats. So how I usually hold the marker is I take my thumb and I put it on the bottom, and I take my index finger and I put it on the top, just like that. And then what I do is I take my pinky and I wrap it around the bottom of the marker, you know, just to use it as support. And then my middle finger and my ring finger, I don't usually use those, they just kind of dangle there, so yeah, you're not going to need those. And the reason why I personally use this hand position is because it's what's most comfortable and efficient for me when I'm trying to pen tap and make some beats. And I'll actually try a beat out with this hand position so you can see how well it works. So yeah, you can see how well it works. Alright, so now that I taught you how to properly hold the pen, now I'm going to teach you the different drum sounds you can make. So if you're looking to do a bass drum sound, you just take your wrist and you hit it on the table like, try it with me. Alright, and if you're looking to do a hi-hat sounds, you would just take the tip of the pen and you'd hit it on the table like, and try it with me once again. Just like that. And if you're looking to do a clap or a snare sound, you just take the bottom of the pen and you just hit it on the table like, try it. And now you know all the basic pen tap and drum sounds. And so far with just these three sounds alone, you can actually make some pretty cool and simple beats like, just like that. And speaking of simple beats, now that you know how to hold the pen and do the sounds, now I'm actually going to take a really simple pen tapping beat and teach it to you, and this beat is actually really good to practice with and help you improve with your pen tapping. So basically how I'm going to teach you this beat is I'm going to put numbers up on the screen in a certain order or pattern, and each one of those numbers is going to represent a different drum sound. And when you put all those numbers together, it forms the full beat. So now I'm going to tell you which drum sound each number represents. Number 1 is the bass drum sound, which goes like. Number 2 is the hi-hat sound, which goes like. And number 3 is the snare or clap sound, which goes like. Alright, and now that you know which drum sound each number represents, I'm going to put the beat up on the screen. So yeah, as you can tell by looking at it, this beat is really simple. And this is mainly just a good beginner beat to practice with because it helps you get a feel for pen tapping and it just helps you get more comfortable with pen tapping with one hand. So I'm going to demonstrate this beat for you now so you can hear what it sounds like and then try to do it yourself as well. So, this beat should sound a little something like 1, 2, 3, 2. Now try it with me. 1, 2, 3, 2. And if I'm not saying the numbers, it should sound like. And then once you get comfortable with the hand movements of just doing the beat once, you can take it and start to loop it and repeat it like. Just like that. And then, once you get comfortable with doing it at a slower speed, you can take it and you can speed it up like. Just like that. And then, once you get comfortable with just pen tapping with one hand, you can start to do some more complex stuff using two hands, like just like that. Alright, so I really hope that this video was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any sort of questions on what I just taught you, then feel free to leave those questions down in the comments, and I'll answer them and help you out the best I can. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, follow my Instagram called Kevin YouTube, or click that notification bell so you're notified anytime I make a new video. And that's it for today, so peace!